Now moving on to 10th question. Look at this question. Decomposers break down complex organic matter into inorganic substances. We know that decomposers, microbes, they break down complex organic matter into inorganic. Which are those? CO2 and water, CO2 and nutrients, nutrients and water, nutrients, water and CO2. So they break down all of them into three things: nutrients, water and CO2. So D is the correct answer. 11th one. The steps of decomposition such as fragmentation, leaching, catabolism operate on detritus simultaneously in increasing order, in decreasing order, in sequential order. Actually, all these steps of decomposition take place simultaneously. Remember, okay, continuously here and there it take place. So simultaneously. Moving on to 12th question. Why does detritus serve as a reservoir of nutrients? Why it is reservoir of nutrients? It decomposes at an extremely slow rate. It is colloidal in nature. It is rich with inorganic nutrient. It is rich with organic nutrient. See, detritus serve as reservoir of nutrients because of that. It is reservoir. It is reservoir because of their colloidal nature. Because of their colloidal nature, they can store in it. So correct answer is, it is colloidal in nature. Moving on to 13th question. Moving on to 13th question. Just here. Decomposition process requires. What all needed for decomposition process? Okay, decomposition process requires little amount of oxygen, large amount of oxygen, no oxygen, anaerobic condition. Decomposition require lots of oxygen, large amount of oxygen. 14th, the factors that control the rate of decomposition of detritus. The factors that control the rate of decomposition of detritus are its chemical composition and action of microbes on them, climatic factors and action of microbes on them, its chemical composition and climatic factor, temperature and soil moisture. And the correct answer, see, it is dependent on, one is chemical composition, okay, and climatic factors play an important role. If it is water, if it rainy season, then the decomposition will be fast. So C is correct answer. Moving on to 15th question. Identify the correct option from the following. We have to identify the correct option. Let us see. Decomposition rate is faster if detritus is rich in lignin and chitin. Wrong it is. Decomposition rate is slower if detritus is rich in nitrogen. This is also wrong. Decomposition rate is faster if detritus is rich in water. Yeah, this is correct. Temperature and soil moisture are the most important climatic factor that regulate decomposition through their effects on the activity of the soil microbes. This is also correct. So both of these are correct. 1 and 2 are not correct. So the correct option, all the sentences are correct, all the sentences are correct except one, all the sentences are correct except 1 and 2. Yes, C is correct answer. 16th one. Which of the following is incorrect statement? Wrong statement. Sun is the only source of energy for all ecosystem on earth without any. This itself is wrong. Okay. Because there are some exceptions. Look at the BCD first. Okay. B is of the incident solar radiation, less than 50% of it is PR. PR means photosynthetically active radiation. Plants capture only 2 to 10% of the PAR. Death of organism is the beginning of the detritus food chain. Why here exception? Because in sea, in deep sea, Hydrothermal ecosystem is another source of energy. That's why. Okay. Moving on to 17th. Mollusk in aquatic ecosystem are example for secondary consumer, primary consumer, tertiary consumer, decomposers. Remember, in aquatic ecosystem, okay, mollusks, okay, they are herbivores. They are herbivores. Herbivores means they are primary consumer. So the correct answer for 17th question is primary consumer.